So in this example, it says a simple pendulum is 0.30 meters long. That means that's gonna be your length at time 0. It's released from rest, starting at an angle of 13. I will read the angular position at 0.35 seconds. So we have to see which formula gives us the angular position at a given time. And this is this formula over here, and that's this formula over here. We have the alpha, the angular position. This is the angular position. This is the theta max, the angular max, which is 0.33 cosine. I don't know alpha. I don't know omega. I'm sorry. So we have to see with the given data what we can do. And we don't have frequency, we don't have time, so we cross this part. We have the gravity and the length. That's how we find the omega. Negative 0.72, the negative means position to that. So if I have an angle of 13, my negative means that my 7 is gonna be in the other position. And alright, we substitute here. I'm sorry, it's not 7, it's this angle over here. Okay, when we got the result, the angular position is in radian. So we need to convert in degree. It's negative because it's gonna be in the opposite side, just like I said here, but I was confused with omega. This is the right one, the angular position here. I hope you understand. Have a good day. Bless you.